Minka Aire ceiling fan remote, model RCS223. This ceiling fan uses a remote control system. At first, I noticed that the remote was not communicating with the fan. I tried several troubleshooting methods, but after testing everything, I realized that the main issue was the receiver controller, not the remote itself. So I decided to replace the controller. In this video, I show you step by step how I removed the faulty controller and installed a new one. Make sure to follow the video to see exactly how the replacement is done. At the end of the video, I also demonstrate If you found this video helpful, please like the video and share your thoughts in the comments. I truly welcome your feedback, suggestions, and constructive criticism. It helps me improve and create better content for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to support me. Your support motivates me to keep sharing more practical videos and new hands-on experiences in the future. Thank you for watching, and I appreciate your support. How to pair the new controller with the remote. How to sync the remote with the new controller. Press and hold the small switch button inside the remote firmly for a few seconds. While holding it, turn the main power to the ceiling fan off and then on using the wall switch or breaker. You will notice the fan light turning off and on, which means the remote and controller are successfully paired. Once synced, you can fully control the ceiling fan using the remote again.